Start off with two separate choir sounds that sound pretty similar for whatever reason. And add some of this because they don't have enough already. This next part I actually hummed. You can tell because of how many effects I had to put on it before it sounded somewhat decent. The drums are pretty simple. Start with a basic drill hi-hat. Add a basic drill snare. And then of course go ham with the slide notes and the 808 and layer a kick under it. The last thing we're going to do is add about 600 crashes and you've got yourself a banger. If you are going to rap to the beat though, some of the lyrics must be Arabic, Drake's rules not mine.